Hello my beautiful friends, I am Sway to the 99 and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make some delicious tamarind juice or tamarindo jugo. I know a lot of you really enjoyed my hibiscus tea video, so I decided to do a whole series. So this is video number 2. So if you are new to the channel, welcome. And I did pick these up at the 99-cent only stores for $1.99. So I did grab 2 and I'm going to show you guys how to easily make this little refreshing drink, which most of you probably have tried at a Mexican restaurant. So let's jump right into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is separate the inside. So you just literally crack the shell into a pod or any type of dish you want. You just literally want to get all the shell off the actual tamarind, and don't worry if there's any little leftovers because we are going to sift that through at the end through a colander. So again, you just want to crack all of the hard shell out of this and just do as much as you can. And again, don't worry because if there's any leftovers, it will be filtered out at the end as we pour it into the pitcher of water. So this one's really easy to do and very exciting. So let's continue on with the next steps. And this is what 2 little bags look like after you've peeled them all. And don't worry, this will actually make a lot of juice. So let's continue on. Now pour your tamarind into a large pot of room temperature water. You want to do about half of the pod, and we're going to let this kind of sit in the water for about 3 to 4 hours. Again, you just want to like let those get in there, soak really well, and then we're going to go into and actually start breaking things down. But if you let it sit about 3 to 4 hours, they'll definitely make things a lot easier. And again, don't worry if there's any residue because we are going to filter this out at the very end. So just going to give it a nice little stir right now just to make sure things are starting to loosen up. But again, let it sit for about 3.5 hours to 4 hours, and we'll come right back. All right, so this has been sitting in the water for about 3.5 hours. So now we're literally just gonna stick our hand in here. Make sure your hands are obviously clean. So we're gonna start breaking everything down. Really just kind of get your hand in there and be generous. Start breaking everything down, separating all of the pulp from the seeds. And really that's what's gonna give this drink that delicious flavor that we all love and enjoy during the summertime. So again, just give it a nice, really get your hands in there and break everything down. And then we'll go from there. Next, grab your favorite pitcher, fill it up with ice. So you can see I am ready to go. And next we're going to start pouring in the content of the pod, and just be careful, it may splatter a little bit. But next you are going to just start pushing this through. So just filtering out the paste. As you can see right here, I'm going to try it one more time. Just gently doing it. Perfect. And as you see, there is this kind of pulp left over. So we are going to be straining that through as well to really make sure that we get all of the juices into the pitcher. So I'm just going to give it a nice little gentle stir and push it down. And really that's what's going to give this that delicious flavor. Very nice. And then we're at about 1/4 cup of sugar, or however much you prefer. Some people like it sweeter, some people like it a little more bitter. So this is how I prefer. So give it a nice little stir. As you can see, this is looking so delicious and it smells amazing, you guys. I can't wait to try it. All right, so I'll just give it a little taste and see what I think. Okay, it's a little tart. So one thing that I've learned to do is that you add a little pinch of salt, and that will actually, kind of reduce the tartness. So we'll go from there. Yeah. And for the final part, fill up a nice glass with ice and just fill it to the top and enjoy your cocktail, or your drink rather. This is going to be very refreshing and I'm looking forward to it. So as a quick reminder, I did do a hibiscus video, so if you guys want to check the video out, I will link it down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the like button and I will see you guys on the next one.